Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing, and I am here to present the line dance, Do It for the Sipp. The song is Do It for the Sipp, the artist is Big MUCCI, and the choreography is Big MUCCI. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in the step-by-step instruction, the tutorial, I'll post it at the end of this video. And let's get it. And there you go. Do it for the Sipp. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.